In 1903, inventor Thomas Edison publicly electrocuted an elephant named Topsy in order to demonstrate the dangers of alternating current electricity. Edison, who was a proponent of direct current electricity, had a long-standing feud with George Westinghouse, a leading manufacturer of AC generators. In an effort to prove that AC was more dangerous than DC, Edison arranged for the execution of Topsy, a circus elephant that had killed 3 men. The event, which took place at Luna Park on Kenai Island, New York, despite the gruesome nature of the demonstration, it did not have the desired effect of discrediting AC electricity, which is still in widespread use today.